Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Mi Home app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on additional settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to dark mode here of brightness here, just click in this sign. So like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean dark mode of brightness here, it's this enable with us now like you see. So that's all. I wish you a great, you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.